So along with some of the machines, and again, I'll actually ask the owner what tools go with each machine, but there's a lot of bushings, there's a lot of chuck jaws, just drawers and drawers of chuck jaws. So I'll make sure that we get a good tooling package with each machine. As you can see, there's a few machines in here. You got the JNC 45, you got the BNC 34A. I think there's another one there, and that might be another JNC 45. So we got 4 Mianos. We got a JBK mill. We've got a large Tarnow. I think it's 22 by 120. Cuts really nice. I just did a video of that and took pieces. There's a grinder over there. So if you're interested in buying the whole shop, say, hey, Mike, give me a call and make an offer. We didn't clean these other 2 up, but I do want you to see that there are 2 more machines available. Again, I think this is another JNC 45. Let's see here. Yeah, another JNC 45. And this one here. Look at the keypad on that. Obviously, it's been replaced somewhat recently. Zero T Control, another Miano. So it's pretty well packed. It was a running shop. He was doing some nice intricate parts, did a lot of stainless steel, and he spoke highly of all of these machines. Again, he was trying to sell them to me so he wouldn't talk them down. They're all tooled. Everything's ready to run, ready to make parts. I know this is probably making you dizzy, but this one here looks like you got a dual spindle on it, so even more fun here. So I want you to think about it. If you want to buy the whole shop, let me know. Here's some of the parts that this gentleman did. As you can see, they're nice parts. Look like either something in the aeronautics or medical field. But that's going to conclude this